He's in NCNO from 77.
I like this name. He's in from 77.
He's in average cost 77.
Legend.
Great stock, but he's looking to buy basically right now. He wanted to buy 92, 91. He wanted to add up to it with a target of 99.
It's always tough. Obviously, the easy answer is no. You have good stock from 77, so why waste your cost basis? But maybe he has such a small amount of shares that it's not worthwhile to him. I understand this problem. I get it. And he's looking to buy through the IPO high. 91.88 was IPO highs. He's looking to buy 92. The only thing I would recommend, if he does elect to do that, have a tight stop. You want to see this break out and really break and keep that second trade as a separate trade versus this 77. Let this 77 work. Treat that one properly with more proper stops at pivots. And then if you're trying to add some for the breakout, treat it as a breakout ad and have a tight stop. If you're looking to buy 92 and sell at 99, in this name that we've seen it go, on IPO day, it was at 71 and 92 to 92. So, it seems like a very small target, to buy 92 right here. He's up $15, but he wants to buy 92 to make $7. That doesn't make sense. So, I don't know. Take what you want from that.
Yeah, I agree. I think even with this name, just for how crazy it trades, it's kind of hard to buy that, second day huge strength versus trying to buy it like what we've been focused on buying, back on a pullback. With an IPO, it's a little bit more difficult. But yeah, he's going to raise that cost basis with a kind of arbitrary entry and an arbitrary target. Might be better off just doing nothing and sticking with what he's got.